Mr. Richard Scase, today at the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia, you speak about entrepreneurship, leadership and business of the future. Where do you see the difference between a successful small and big economy?
Well, what I think is fascinating is the way in which the Scandinavian economies, Denmark, Sweden and Finland, Norway as well, are incredibly successful in this global economy. And what they've done is specialize. They've recognized their limitations driven by smallness, and on the basis of recognizing that limitation, they've turned it into a big advantage. So therefore, the government with business, small and large business, and educational services have developed strategic frameworks, developed a vision of the future, and invested in research and development, invested in education, so that as small businesses and as a small economy in this changing, interconnected global economy, they can be highly competitive and successful.
We all know there are good and bad leaders. What's the difference?
A good leader is someone who really understands his or her staff, is able to inspire them, is able to motivate them, who shares their ideas with staff, which motivates and enthuses staff. A bad leader is someone who doesn't share, who doesn't engage, who keeps everything secret to his or herself. I think a good comparison is with soccer coaches, football managers. Some football managers inspire and build highly successful teams. Other football managers just buy players in the marketplace and hope to have high-performing teams from that. It very rarely succeeds.
As far as the future is concerned, are you an optimist?
I'm optimistic about the future because we are now in the new economy. This is the 21st century economy. We're not going to go back to 10 or 15 years ago. So we have to, as entrepreneurs, recognize in this new economy, we have to be competitive, we have to be enterprising, and that is an opportunity for government, it's an opportunity for business associations, it's an opportunity for enterprising entrepreneurs.